In chapter 2 of Bhagwat Gita, Lord Krishna explained the nature of soul. In verse number 22 in that chapter, Lord says,
Vasansi jinani yatha vihaye navani grinhati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaye jina nanyani sanyati navani dehi.
This is one of the most popular verses of Gita. Lord says that as a person throws away old, worn-out garments and puts on new garments, similarly, the soul throws away the worn-out body and enters a new body. So the soul does not die, but it only changes old body for another. When we throw away our old clothes and put on the new clothes, we don't grieve for the old clothes. Similarly, Lord Krishna tells Arjun that when he thinks he will be killing his enemies, in reality, only the soul of the enemies will leave their body and will enter the new body. So he shouldn't grieve. Arjun was highly disturbed that in the war he would have to kill Bhishma, Dronacharya and other respected relatives. Lord tells Arjun that Arjun will only send their soul from their existing body to a new one. Therefore, he should not grieve. A soul never dies. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.